What the hell is wrong with my car? Oh my goodness. Do you see this? Seriously? See, look. It's just like possessed or something. All I did was stop and get gas. It didn't show me any signs of turning off or anything. Like, it didn't struggle to come on when I left the house. Nothing. What is wrong with my car? Now I'm waiting on my husband. What is that? What is this? Coffee? It's probably coffee. You know it, huh? Anyway, I'm waiting on my husband.
And I'm here.
And she's here. My daughter's here, Hope. But, yeah. What are we doing? And then it just randomly stops. I don't know if you guys can hear this. Watch what happens. Watch, I'm gonna crank it. See, look. Cranking the car. Nothing. What the hell is going on? See? It's fucking possessed.
It's crazy.
Wait, guys, we've been sitting here for like 10 minutes, 15 minutes now, and the lights are coming on, the battery, like, look, the light, this light wasn't on at first, so I'm about to try and start it up. There go the damn clicking noise. I don't know if the battery is recharging. I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, I'm about to have crazy, bro. This car is about to have
It was
crazy.
legit like dinging. I bet it wasn't doing that before. Oh. So we were able to roll the window down. Yay!
But we using up all our power.
We used the last of the power. We can't roll Hope's windows down. But she got air. She gonna be good. I do. You gonna be good?
But I always couldn't roll my windows down.
And there's my husband trying to save the day and just kind of clean my battery up for me because it had corrosion on it. And I'm like, how did the corrosion get there? And we don't know, but corrosion is that stuff that he's tapping off, the little white stuff. And it does build up around batteries. I think it's when acid spills over or something like that. Don't quote me on that, but yeah, let's see if hopefully that helps me out. Guys, so we cleaned the corrosion off the car, and of course you can hear the dinging, but it still didn't start. So now he's gonna try and jump start it. But at least you can hear the lights coming on. It's not clicking as hard no more, but yeah. So we're gonna see after the jump start. Here comes a new battery. See, it's coming back like. So the corrosion did help a little bit, at least with the connection, I guess. I can't. Alright, I'm trying to jump start it. Here it goes. I don't know. It's looking like it want to do something. All my lights coming on. Ah! Guys, I'm back on the road. Everything's working fine. My husband went got me a new battery, but looks like I'm gonna have to get my alternator checked maybe, because my other battery was like a year old, a year and some change. So yeah, I gotta see why I'm running the battery so quickly. guys, so it's the next day. I'm a little more awake than yesterday. I'm at O'Reilly's. I'm about to get my alternator tested to see if that's the issue, because I'm like, I read about it and it is not good if my battery is undercharging, causing all that corrosion and stuff. Yes, your girl did her homework. So we're about to see if that's the issue, and hopefully my alternator is okay. I don't know. I just hope that everything is an easy, quick fix. I hate when something is wrong with my car. But anyway, here goes nothing. Alright guys, so the verdict is in, and it is my alternator. The battery, the lady wanted to test my battery as well, but I mean, I got a new battery yesterday, so I was like, nah, that's not the issue. It's probably definitely the alternator. Not saying that they couldn't have gave us a faulty battery yesterday, but 9 times out of 10, more than likely, since I had just got a battery last year in March and it is now July, that's like a year and maybe a couple months before that battery comes out, and it's supposed to last a little longer than that. And plus all the corrosion buildup that was on there, I'm guessing that more than likely it's the alternator, because that's how things go around here. So yeah, so we're gonna get a new alternator, and hopefully that'll solve all my issues and I won't have any more problems with this car for a little while longer. Alright you guys, see you later.